This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I've got my diagram for how I'm going to put my rectifier bridge together. And pretty soon I'll be able to use DC and have an anode and cathode in my experiments versus just alternating current modulating back and forth. So a little bit more control, so I'm excited. Are you? All right, so if you don't know what a rectifier bridge is, it takes alternating current, converts it to direct current by the use of taking diodes, which allows current through one direction but not the other. So you can see as this one's labeled, the current would be going from this pole to this pole. So if we make an arrangement here from a transformer, so I've got two different transformers in my lab. One's 3,000 volts and one is 10,000 volts, and I'll switch between the two. And essentially, I take the electrodes from the alternating current transformer, connect it into these two positions here. And you can see by where the arrows are, that's the direction of the electricity flow. So if I take these guys here and wire these all together, I would connect to this wiring point here and the other wiring point here. And that would create a negative and a positive pole. So you can see the direction of flow of how that electricity would be moving throughout. So right here would be my discharge, anode and cathode. So here's the fun part. I just get to solder it all together. All right, let's try it. All right, so while this is the diagram, this is actually how I'm going to arrange it. Still have the voltage going this way, and I've labeled it. I'll essentially connect my AC leads here, and then coming off this side will be negative, this side will be positive. Pretty simple. All right, so I've got it wired up. What I did is just screwed in the diodes here and wired two leads here that are going to connect on one end. That's going to be negative. The other leads here are going to be positive. And this is where I'll connect the electrodes of my AC transformers on this side and this side. Doesn't matter which side connects to it because it's alternating current. So what I'd like to do next is show you the Variac and what a Variac does and how it works. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate this is use my 3,000 volt transformer. And let's just do just a simple test here, and I'll just have a little arc gap right here. Let's turn it all the way on. Let's see. All right, so got power. You can see the arc discharge happening here. What happens now as I turn this, you hear it change. This is reducing the voltage. So let me reset that. Oh, I got the gap too far now. All right. All right, so here's our arc. And as I turn this down, watch and listen what happens. Very little voltage now. I'll turn it back up. Now I've got more control of what's being sent out. So it's pretty cool. Look, you can still hear it. You can't see it, but it's still there. All right. So let's now try this out and see what happens with the rectifier bridge. Let me wire it up and I'll be right back. All right, so transformer, there's one lead connected there, another lead connecting there, and I've got, again, positive is right there, I'm gonna see if I can arc across the onc. There is the negative portion coming out there. So all I'm using right now is wire nuts to connect these. So here we go. Hope I don't die. Just kidding, I don't think I'll die. But what I will do is, got my Variac ready. I'm going to turn on the transformer and let's see if I did this right. Oh, hey, all right, let's turn on the Variac and let's go. And it's not doing anything. Must have done something wrong. Let's see, maybe I'm just not close enough because I got my 3000 volt transformer. Oh, look, it works. Okay, I'm crazy. I'm thinking I got my 10K gap, so, you know, doesn't go nearly as far. So, all right, let's try this again. Such a dork. All right, so it works, I heard it. All right, let's try again. All right, so now the power is actually moving in that direction, from right to left. So that's going to allow me to control which way the voltage is going. So for example, if I want to be able to pull something up, I can have the electricity go from ground to cloud or cloud to ground, just for an example. So I can either pull or push, and that's what I've been wanting to do. And the coolest part is I can control how much power is going now. Let's turn the lights out. Getting some lightning. So that's really interesting. There's a glow mode happening. And you can see it arcing from right to left. All the way off. Whoa. That's awesome. That's cool. I love it. Man, this is cool. All right, guys. Well, that's what I set out to do tonight, is to get this thing to work. And I have done that. So I will be back with a new experiment soon. Thank you.